So I picked up a fuel tank from the local boneyard. This was a pretty rusty tank, as you can see. It's for a XJ 550 SECA. Looks like from an 81. And was able to drill the lockout and getting it prepped right now for cleaning the inside. The inside is pretty dirty, as you can see. Get a good look in there, see if I can get a flashlight. There we go. And you can see in there. It's pretty rusty. It's not horrible. I mean, in actuality, this tank is in pretty good shape. No holes as far as I can see. So, yeah, no holes, and got a couple of dents. I'll be able to fix those and pop them out. One real bad one over here. But other than that, it's a good sound tank. And right now I took the sender unit, fuel sender meter unit out, and the petcock out, and I plugged them up. I'll show you how I plugged them up over here. There we go. Get my hand out of there. I plugged them out right there, as you can see. So what I use to plug up the holes is basically the bottom of a pair of flops, just to show you. Here's the other half of the flops. I buy these for $1 from Walmart just to do gardening around the house. So I got some vinegar in there right now. Let's use some cheap vinegar, and I'll get that in there and working for a couple of days. So here's the start, and really tomorrow, I think, while the vinegar's still working in there, I'm gonna spray it with aircraft remover and get the paint, and so I can start on the outsides surface area, get that de-rusted. So we're on our way, and this step one. Might take a week to do, but you know, I'm in no rush.